Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off usage and diagnostic on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to privacy. Okay, tap privacy. Here in privacy, below you can see the usage and diagnostic. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the usage and diagnostic. And now here in usage and diagnostic, you can see the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, to turn off this usage and diagnostic, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off. And to turn on again, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn off the usage and diagnostic to my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off usage and diagnostic on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.